EmaAfrika, asasipoyiqaphela enga ingasenzi isikhohlwa umlando. As I've been listening to our leaders, Marsh and Marsh, or Jacinta Nopel, there is nothing that these African countries have done assisting us during apartheid times or apartheid as a struggle. They have done nothing to assist us. Hey, bafowethu, ngavumi enga nenze nikhohlwe umlando. Do you know that these African countries have done a lot assisting South Africa during its difficult times? Today, let me just talk about Nigeria. Since you say Nigerians have done nothing to help you, let me help you along us. Did you know that since 1976 until 1995, it is estimated that Nigeria assisted South Africa and Mali that engalingana $61 billion US dollars. Let me talk about from 1976 to 1977. There is something that was implemented that was called South African Relief Fund. That was also known as the Mandela Tax, that was implemented by this man, Commander Olusegun Obasanjo, just after the Youth Year says South Africa 1976 eraser against the apartheid yacindezelwa. This man implemented a South African Relief Fund, which was imali that was going to be that was brought to South Africa to assist South Africans. Leyo mali leyo kwakudonswa 2% kuma salaries wama public workers nama private workers wase Nigeria to come and assist South Africa. Also again, ama students wabo esikole, they had to skip ama lunches because ifunding yabo NSFAS wabo leso sikhathi wawuphoqele ukuthi nawo uthathe leyo mali yokufunda isikole uyifake la kwiMandela Tax so that kuzolekelelwa iSouth Africa. From 1976 June until 1977 June, babe raise imali that is over 15 million US dollars that came to South Africa. Also phinde futhi kube nalaba siza khona ukuthi ba provide ama free lessons, free schooling, tertiary schooling and secondary schooling for South African students ababe kwi exile. So too many things abazenza. Now when they are calculating everything from 1976 to 1995, it is estimated to be 61 billion US dollars that they've spent assisting South Africa. Laba namhlanje anytime bafundi nibaxosha kuma private hospitals, the system is overwhelmed. Xosha ingane zabe eyikoleni, the system is overwhelmed. Did you know ukuthi labo bantu labo, there were once times whereby bebalala ngendlala because kudonswe 2% from the salaries of their parents to assist you. Iy'ngane zabo zazi skip ama lunch esikoleni. Namhlanje you are fighting those people because you don't have history.